Hello, hello. I bought this Western Digital hard drive from Lazada, 2 terabytes. Actually, I got two of them, and these are fakes. How do I know? Well, I plug it in to the PC, and it detects the serial number here checks out on the website. So here's the Western Digital site where you punch in the serial number, and it says it's out of warranty. So I'm guessing they hacked the firmware. How I know this is fake is because I have a lot of hard drives, and it doesn't spin. There's no spinning sound, and it's the weight is a heft to it, but there's no spin. So here's the package. Looks legit. Cable's good. So case-wise, I'm looking. It's like it's not too. I mean, it's possible, but it's not that well made. So I'm going to pop this thing open. All right. I popped open a lot of hard drives before, and check it out. So there you go. So there's a weight, and I believe this is some kind of a USB stick. You can see over here. All right. So there. So I'm filing for a refund with a complaint of counterfeit, and there you go. Western Digital Elements, 2 terabytes. Looks legit. Too good to be true. It's like 1,000 something pesos. So it was like a few hundred pesos cheaper. So I thought this was, an older model. But yeah, so there you go. So again, the serial number checks out. The using the Western Digital application, the hard drive utility checks out, except it says My Book instead of Elements. I haven't even formatted it yet because I have a suspicion it doesn't spin. So there you go.